where it says West Side High School wall repair.
Yo.
Huh? Okay, well, what's tone of voice?
We got something coming our way.
Look at this one. It says Lock Elementary. West Side High School wall.
I'm going down this way.
Oh shit! Go back this way, bro.
I'm going to. What up, man? You got me going in circles.
It ain't even one beer yet, and I'm buzzed.
See?
Yeah. I ain't drinking
Chalk.
about 2 months, dude.
Seat covers for the
Last
toilets.
time I drank with you, so. When
Was that a bag full of
look
reefer?
at this right here, yo.
There it is. You found one. Baseball bat.
Jackie Robinson, yo.
Look at
Yeah, wait, here he comes, man.
I got a Jackie Robinson 33.
Man, I got one.
Hey, here's some guy. Hey, store.
store.
Yo.
Look, some
Got some ganja.
Hey, now.
Check it
That's
out.
that vomit shit.
This is the real deal right there, bro.
You're lucky that you found that.
Dude.
Yeah. Hold on, Jiffy's over here. Where you at, brother? I hear you. I found your voice.
You find that banner? Hey, look over here. There should be a banner.
I see it. How do I get over there? Grab that what?
Grab that banner real quick.
The banner.
There's a yellow banner I threw right below here.
Where you at, Charlie? Hey.
Where?
I don't see it, brother. We're over here looking.
You threw a banner?
Yeah,
It must be stuck on the top because there ain't nothing down here. Yoo-hoo!
And voice.
oh, it's on the shelf. I made it on that shelf right there.
On top?
Where?
We'll find something else to throw at it.
Has anybody tried the lights? Just throw that out
Blow
there.
me.
Blow your mind,
All right.
wouldn't it?
What
What
you
the
got?
significance of this is, but he really wanted us to have
Oh
it.
man, that's a
Alright, you guys gotta go all the way around and
What?
back down the left aisle.
Hey Charlie, what is this thing?
It's a banner. It's got Horace Mann on it.
He said what?
well, we're okay over here.
Alright. You wanna set it down and open it, see if it's worth taking?
I ain't trusting you no light no more. Your last time.
He was your light
He gets
source?
excited, man. He got that bet. He was gone. This way. But we're over. Yeah, I know what you're doing. Heard. We're over here trying to film for YouTube. That's just me.
Right, we're gonna make it big one day, you'll see.
Well, he wants to. He won't be in half of the damn thing. Oh, this way.
Next one?
Yeah, this one. Gotcha.
You rolling?
Yeah, man.
Come on, join us. YouTube, shall you? Ugh. Brand new computer monitor in there.
Yeah, why not?
Brand new snow shovels.
Man, look at these. Are not even opened yet.
We have a Slav in his native habitat.
Ah. I was wondering why they had the. I was wondering why they had that gate over here.
Okay, what's back here, boys?
Nice.
Oh, hello.
Files.
Besides a Slav and a Slav.
Personal files.
Personal files. That's always a this.
I got one open.
Hey, check them out. It's sick.
I got one of these things open.
Right here, Tony.
What is this?
Here, right here. It's open already. It's a pen pad. You pull the pen out, and then it opens up.
I used to have one of those. I still got one somewhere.
I just grabbed a brand
Those
new
are
one.
cool,
What did I
That
do?
one was brand new. I pulled it out of the package.
What did I do? There it is.
There's a bunch. There was a bunch.
And
You got that thing. You want to see from up here? I'll do a little. I don't, unless you want to climb up here and see for yourself.
you guys got. You can see with the light.
You gonna
now?
hold it down?
Let me knock down.
Yeah. Careful, big man.
This is normally Social's job, but today we
He
got.
found a bet, man. He's going, man. He found a bet. He kept his promise, as always. I got to stick to 2-bedroom places with him, man. Going anyplace big like this, he's gone. Can't help himself, man.
There's like one of those fucking amp things back there.
And now he's gonna make me sweat over that trophy. You took off again, like every video.
Like every week.
What I do now? You know what you did?
No, here's the fucked up. You gonna cut it off.
Okay, what you got?
Social security card, ID, birth
I'm
certificate.
gonna do a blur over this. This is somebody's social security card and records all.
Cross off security and put rec.
Yeah.
So, right.
Here we go. There's the files again.
I ain't going through this shit though.
I just want to take a quick random peek. Like, let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
I thought you had one of your bitches in here.
I see you, man.
Hey, yeah, you're always late. You can make your own.
Oh, yeah.
Say hello.
Look at this. Hello. Hey. Hi. It's beautiful in here.
What are you doing?
That's cool. I got that for you. Look at this.
Paul was like, I can't leave my boy behind, right, Storm?
I said, leave him.
Who's that?
You said we can't leave behind.
No, hell no.
Dippy, he's not flying, Storm?
Look at this, man. Look at these people's identifications or tapes of these. Look at this. Can you have this like for 1 second for me, please?
What?
So the phone. I just gotta give a random. Look at this, everybody.
Did you look at that banner though?
These people's pictures, their information, their social security.
Pictures, too?
Their,
Look at that.
look.
Copies of their ID.
Copies of their IDs everywhere. Look. It goes on and on, man.
She looks mean.
This is just one random pic. Look at this. Look. All this drawer's filled. That's one drawer. Look at this.
All these people. Hey, what's in this?
Look at it. It goes on and on. And it's the same thing. I want to prove to everybody that this is not just, well, that other drawer is not full. There they are, too. This is crazy, man.
Is this HR on the side? Is that human resources?
Yeah.
You guys ever been inside there?
Look at this. Look at this. It goes on and on, guys. More pictures. Yeah, everybody's pictures are in here.
Bananas.
Oh.
Retirees. My picture in there?
There's so.
Oh, it's just a light.
Yeah.
Camera, too.
Works, man?
I got that for you, man. I had that for you.
Is that why you were cussing me out in there?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What the hell is this?
This one's got Michael Jackson on it, but it's ruined.
Does it? Let's see it.
It's all stuck together.
Oh, your bed sheet.
But it's got.
It's like when you say you like your bench. That's when the wife washes his laundry and has to deal with the socks.
Look, you guys. Hey, look, Michael Jackson.
About using your socks as a sex
Brother, look.
teacher applications.
Look at this. It's Michael Jackson's on it.
And look at Lou Wallace.
Leslie Wallace.
Lou Wallace and Michael Jackson.
That's the same one, isn't it?
No, a different one.
Nobody interested in that?
Well, we got like 3 things going on here. You come up 10 minutes later. What is all this? These are new stuff.
Yeah, brand new Dells. Here's the brand new snow shovels, still wrapped up.
Look at this. What is that? Here's made. These are heaters?
Look at, I got a license to teach.
Look, they're right there in the back.
Look at this. Look at this. Teacher's contracts. You can tell you how much they made. 55 grand a year. That's a lot for a teacher, isn't it?
Yeah, for Gary's school. I didn't make. I don't get my. I can't get my head around all this. Look at this, guys. These go on and on. Do we promise? Do we not promise? Before I go on anymore, I want to give a special shout out to my guys, my friends, Joel, Tone, Mark, Diffy Smooth. Thank you guys for turning us on to this, man. I'm blown away. I seen their video on it. I asked them if they would please bring me here.
You said no.
And they said no, and I begged and begged. And I brought them some bacon this morning, and
That sold it.
I didn't get no bacon.
yeah, she told me to just get. I didn't even get no bacon. He did though.
Hey, I didn't get no bacon.
I know, man. I didn't even get no bacon, and my woman's one who made it.
Hold on, hold on.
You want the bacon with?
You guys think I'm kidding, don't you?
It's delicious.
What the?
Piece of bacon.
You-
He can't get his glove off quick enough.
Hey, you want to give a shout out to Lady Store for you? Mama Storm, that's about what I
Yeah,
do.
Mama Storm, thank you.
Appreciate the bacon, Diane. We love doing it. It was delicious. Iris said that you're the sweetest woman ever, too, when I gave her the bacon this morning.
My girl is something
Delicious,
else.
even though it's freezing cold.
Yeah. And we're in a disgusting
Oh,
building.
that's how you know good bacon. If it's ice cold, it's still good. You're good.
Oh yeah, good.
Someone was making replica of my fucking balls in here, man. Look at that shit. I got replica of my balls in here for.
I seen a sack in the other aisle. All right, I'm gonna bite. Let's do one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Return to vendors. Which cabinet will we go? Look at all this. You guys really want to know where the money went from school? Here it is. The Area 51 of Gary Public Schools.
You know where your money went this morning?
Bacon. You're worth every little gristly piece on there, man.
Thank you.
What is that? They got something stored way up there high.
It's one inside.
Okay. There's a spot back here you guys didn't see, have you? You been in here, brother?
I found the door.
You found the door. Look at all the phones. All these phones. You know what though? I do get it though when they're exploring. It's hard to stay with people because you just want to break off and see things. I gotta give them a hard time. As long as I get my film and I got light. Got my man Diffie with me. We're gonna be alright, huh Diff? This is awesome, man. I'm really, really liking this.
This is the scrap room. When we were here, we weren't in here.
Look at that monster fan.
This is the scrap room, man. Look at it.
Yes, it is.
We weren't in here before.
Here's a... Me and Diff has broke off. Tony and Mark's joined up and Social and Midwest together.
Oh shit. Remember these? With the magnets and the shape of shapes, and then you could put them together and make a fucking...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh,
You can make a USA map.
look at that toucan cup.
Picture of somebody's kid.
That's crazy, man.
That's fucking cool.
All right, man. Something tells me to look inside that folder right there. Let's look.
That folder?
Something looks. Why would you sit there solo? What do we have?
Blackboard.
Contract standard pricing. All their business records.
Online enrollment form.
This is the ultimate, isn't it? This is the ultimate waste in one building that I've ever seen.
Harlan Cardin.
And that's saying a lot. We've seen some terrible stuff. How to protect it and improve system performance. High schools, education, Roosevelt, Lew Wallace, I see it. Oh wow, I've done a
Got some for you.
folder.
I know Valentine's Day is not for a few more months.
Aww. You're too good to me, you know that?
Try to be. I try.
Everywhere, buddy. What a hit. What a hit.
Mark,
And back here?
Coming to Career Center.
We're finding the back offices. This is where it's at.
Holy shit, man. Student progress monitoring, student record system, student discipline, international dictionary. Those are like RDS. That's
Personal system?
I'm gonna send that shit to Joe.
Well, here's the office. Integrity. So much everywhere. It's hard to keep up with everything. This is brand new. This is an inkjet. We use those at my job.
These those hangers, those are sick.
Look at this. Remember these?
The big ass.
It's for the jet printers, right? Well, that's what it looks like. The ones we got at work. We have a big, huge machine. Let me see.
Infrastructure.
Stop your just stop if you break the seal. Package is non-refundable.
Well, it looks like they ain't getting a refund.
What is this? Anderson Psychiatric Treatment Planner. Yeah. Oh, our leaders are so disappointed. We failed our children so miserably.
These fans are a couple $100 a piece, I think.
Easy. Look at all this information just left here for anybody to come in here and take it. Let me guess, it'd be our fault for filming it, not their fault for leaving it, right?
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
Something like that. We got like 4 more rooms.
Look at energy strips.
You hear that? Oh. Not my God here.
I just got, Joe, when you watch this, if you ever watch this, I know you don't watch a lot of them, but I just got your text. What are you guys into today? Look at this behind you. Do you see this?
Yeah. All the files. Who knows what's on these?
Yeah, I would say, yeah, they're film
It
reels.
literally
Right?
says special tapes on it.
Man, I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words.
1988.
Who knows what's on those?
Joel would know what they are.
Think so?
He's smart. He's actually
2011 calendar.
Yeah, it's a rain jacket. That was kind of creepy. The rain jacket.
Yeah.
Down the
These are just offices. Wow. You want to go look down here? Did you go down here?
I don't think
Let's take a quick peek.